YouTube? It's Daniel. Cameo by my friend Tcho. We're up here in the Greenhorn Mountain, southwest of Pueblo, Colorado, and we're doing an overnight bike packing trip. So we got the Jeep loaded down, the bikes. We'll get all the packs put on them, and then we don't know where we're going or how long it'll take us or when we'll be back. I mean, we'll be back tomorrow at some point, but yeah, it's just beautiful scenery. Everything's super green. So looking forward to an awesome night, and we'll keep you up to speed on the whole thing. See you soon. So we're in a few miles. It's been about 5 to 7% grade uphill. It's like perfect weather. It's overcast, so it's not super hot, which is nice. And it's not super bright, which is nice. It's pretty much perfect, actually. So we're going to keep on trekking and see where it takes us. We're going to head up this road, which should ultimately get us to the summit, approximately. You can't ride all the way to the summit, but we'll get as high as we can. All right, we made it to our first little stop for the day. We're going to do some hashtag coffee outside. Got my little no-name burner going on here. 1,300 vertical feet so far. Pretty slow going because and only 6 miles, so it's fairly steep. That's a jet engine. It's hot. Good. This is awesome. Super hot. Look, here's we did. Camp for the night. There's Tcho's little tent. I got the Hennessy hammock, and then he also brought a hammock for just lounging, which we've been doing for a little minute here. Pretty decent meadow. Looks like the weather might hold. There's some rain going on over there. We can cook up some dinner, hang out, get all set up in case the weather goes to hell. We're prepared for that. We did around 17, 18 miles today. Not like the furthest ride ever, just kind of took our time and had a lot of fun doing it. So yeah, I just figured I'd show you camp we're cooking, and then we'll see how it goes the rest of this evening. For some reason I brought like all frickin' beans. Maybe just because I'm outside, but I got these Buffalo Ranchero beans. If you haven't had them, yeah, you definitely need to try them. See how they do tonight in my hammock. Joe, what you got? Eggs and something?
Eggs and bacon.
Eggs and bacon.
They call eggs.
Not really eggs.
Kind of sponge.
Yeah. Welcome to Dehydrated Meals, my bro.